Okay guys, we got a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. This is the glove box right here. We're just going to open that. I would take everything out of it, otherwise it may fall out. And then over here, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect this piece. You're just going to pop it off like that. Then you're going to come over here, push that out as well. And this whole thing will drop down. Right there is your cabin air filter door. Push these in like that, pull out. That exposes the cabin air filter right there. Airflow is pointing down for future reference. Just gonna pull it out, take a look at it. This one is somewhat dirty, but you could probably clean it out. I'm gonna have it replaced anyways. To put it back in, obviously you just stick it in like so, with the airflow again pointed down. Push it all the way in, and then put the door back on, placing this end in first, and then popping it in. So it's pretty easy to do. Dealership may charge you $40 to $50 to do this. You can buy the filter alone for probably 10 or 15 bucks and then do it in about 2 minutes. I will post a link in the description for an air filter off of Amazon, but it is pretty easy to do. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.